Namaste, Master Jay here and welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga Academy. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to share this video if you like it, and please give me your comments. So today I'm here to teach you the balancing pose. It's a ek path koundinyasana. So it's a very good pose. Here you need to use your arm strength and your core strength. So come on your mat, I will teach you how to do it. So in this position, just put your one leg front, mid of your both palm. So you have to straight your one leg and put your hand under your leg. Try to put it on your shoulder and very slowly just hand onto the floor and then try to straight your leg this one and bend your elbow, then look front, only this one first. Try here. So from here, if you can, you just try to lift it up like this here. And if you cannot make balance, also you can use the block under your leg. So you can sit from here. Just try this one. If you cannot, you can drop your elbow down also. In the same pose, it will be more easy like this. Yeah. So do with the both side, one leg front. If you want, in the beginning you can drop your knee down, put it here, straight your leg. If you want, you can put it under. Also you can try, then straight, one leg up. If you want more up, more, then try. So try to do it. In the beginning, just try to hold normal, and after when you are able to hold, try to lift your leg with jump, and you can put the block also under your leg and you can easily can do the ek path koundinyasana. So thank you so much. Just keep it practice with you and do yoga every day. So thank you so much guys. If you like it, please give me your comments and thumbs up, and see you into the next video. Namaste and Hari Om.